For rational numbers means rationals, and we are checking associative law. It's easy. Let us take. As we know that subtraction for associative law must be like it: a minus b minus c must equal to a minus b minus c. So let me check it. I'm taking any three numbers. If I don't want to take fractions and I want to make examples easy, then I will take any of natural numbers also. Let me take a is equal to 5, b is equal to 3, and c is equal to 1, and let me check it for subtraction. Then if a is equal to 5, then 5 minus 3 minus 1 is equal to 5 minus 3 minus 1. Is it possible? Let me check it. 5 minus 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Then 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. And here 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. And minus 1 is equal to 1. So both are not equal. So I can say that subtraction from associative law is not applicable on rational numbers. Similarly, you can take examples of multiplication and division. For an example, I am taking this law for multiplication, then it will be a into b into c is equal to a into b into c. Let me take these three numbers here. Then a into b into c. First of all, a means 5 into b means 3, c means 1. And 5 into 3 ones are 3. It will be 15. And let me check the right hand side. A into b, 5 into 3 into c means 1. 5 3s are 15, 1. तो ये होगा 15 again. Then it is applicable for rational numbers. Okay, the multiplication law, and let me check the division. And for division, remember the law will be a divided by b divided by c is equal to a divided by b whole divided by c. Let me take any three numbers. For example, I am taking 5 3 1 again. Then 5 divided by 3 by 1. Then I know that 3 divided by 1, then it is 3. Matlab, if we are dividing 3 by 1, then the answer will be 3. Then 5 by 3, the left hand side. Similarly, 5 divided by 3 divided by 1, then it will be 5 by 3 divided by 1. Then if I divide 5 by 3 by 1, then the answer will be always 5 by 3. But as we can see here, the examples we have taken is 5 3 and 1, which is unique number for division also. Then let us check another example, that we are taking some even numbers that can be divisible by each other. For example, a is equal to 8, b is equal to 4, c is equal to 2. Then 8 left hand side, first of all, a divided by b divided by c. Then 8 divided by 4 divided by 2. Then 8 divided by, first of all, I will simplify the bracket. 4 by 2, it is 2. Then 8 divided by 2, it is 4. The answer of left hand side, it is 4. Then I will check the answer of right hand side. Then first of all, 8 divided by 4, which is in bracket, whole divided by 2. 8 by 4, it is 2. Divide by 2, it is 1. Then both are not equal, right hand side and left hand side. So I can say that division law is not applicable for rational numbers. Okay, and this was the theories that are completed of exercise 8.1, and in next lecture we are saying exercise 8.1, and most probably the questions will be like that. Let me show you some examples. For example, if I want to find values for 1 by 3 plus 3 by 2 plus 9 by 7, in which you must be able to take LCM first. Okay, if I am making a part of first two number 1 by 3 plus 3 by 2, then the LCM of that two number will be 3 2s are 6. Okay, because 6 comes in the table of 2 and 3 as well as 2 1s are 2 plus 3 3s are 9 plus here 9 by 7 which is separated, then it will be 11 by 6 plus 9 by 7, then LCM will be 7 6 are 42. Then I will cross multiply because 7 is not in the denominator of 11. Here 11 by 6, in which 7 is not in the denominator of 11 and 6 is not in denominator of 9. So I'll cross multiply the both. 11 7s are 77 plus 9 6 are 54. Then it will be 77 plus 54. Then it will be 4 plus 7 yani 1 1 7 plus 5 12 plus 1. It will be 131 by 42. If there are common factor between numerator and denominator, then you can cut the both. But if there isn't, then 131 by 42 is the answer. Okay, I hope you can understand it, and question like that we will study in next lecture. Till then, see you.